They're doing really well. I need to talk to them and give them some constructive criticism. They are not really showing a sense of urgency when they're on the job. They're not cleaning dishes effectively. They're dropping some plates from time to time. I know John specifically, he sent me a text saying that he was having a little bit of trouble with that. I'm going to try to convince him that I know he can do a good job because he has some good KSAOs from his previous job. And the experience he has from that, he's good with working on his feet for long periods of time, which is actually a really important thing. So there are things that he needs to learn how to do, like just basic skills in the dining hall. We want him to be able to learn all of those basic skills so that he can kind of align with our company goals and our strategy. So I'm going to talk to him about the dirty dishes, about how to work with others well, about how to carry dishes more effectively even when you're running through students. And I'm going to have him also learn how to learn how to work with the machinery, like the expression machines, the dishwashers, and I'm going to reinforce kind of just going along and working well with the entire group. So as far as that, he's doing well so far, but we just got to work a little bit and I'm sure he'll be fine.
Before deciding what type of training should be used, the managers want to have the employees fill out a survey to understand their opinion and what type of training they think would benefit them the most. After deciding which training would be best and taking the employees' thoughts into consideration, the managers will design the program. The managers also make a note to stress that they are proud of the employees' hard work and support them all the way through training.
Alright, so for the training program, I know that the budget won't be too expensive because it's going to be on the job. We can just do it right in the dining hall, not going to be needing any other types of locations. I think that it should be in the middle of May or kind of the middle of August. That way it's close to the semester and I don't want to interrupt people's summer breaks. That'd be kind of a drag, so we can do it then. So yeah, let's see, materials needed. We're probably gonna need to have, I guess, older, more experienced employees. I wanna have them kind of leading the training program, telling them what they did in their past and the mistakes that they did. And also tell them that we're gonna be giving them all the materials necessary. They're not gonna need to bring any materials, so we're gonna be providing that for them as well. Let's see. What else? Incentives. How much do you think that we should give them?
I mean, based on their improvement, I think if they do well, we should give them a raise of $1 or $2.50 an hour.
Yeah, it sounds fine. Yeah, that's good. We want them to kind of have an incentive to come to the program, so that way it's not just on their time. What were you thinking about? I know you were talking about feedback before. What do you want to do for feedback?
I think at the end of the program, we should make a survey for each of the employees and the managers. The managers can fill out the surveys based on how they think the employees improved, and the employees can fill out a survey based on how they think they improved and how they like the program.
Good. Okay. That way it'll kind of give us feedback of how the actual training program went and the success of it.
The employees went through a couple of training programs. First, they went to a seminar that explained the correct way to use machines and keep a sanitary environment. After this, they performed hands-on training with experts and correctly trained employees. During this training, they were taught how to properly clean tables and utensils, store plates, and use machinery. They were then evaluated by the managers to make sure they were transferring what they learned to their workplace. The employees were then ready for a successful work experience.